Alright, what is up, guys? So, today's plan, we're gonna have to replace both axles, both sides. So, you guys already seen this one, right? This one was shot, you guys saw it. But this one, I was down here yesterday adjusting the coils a little bit, or at least trying to. This one, done. There's no boot left on it or anything, so went down to a shop, picked up some axles, and we're gonna replace them today. Be honest with you, I didn't think the replacement was gonna come this soon, but yeah, they're bad. There's no boot left on that, no grease or anything, so those are all coming out, and we're just gonna replace them both. And yeah, so I'm gonna get the shit I need, cue the cinematic, and we're gonna replace both these sides. Alright, so we got the car up on jack stands right now, going through here, and I'm going to show you guys what I was talking about on how bad the axle is over here. So, yeah, I don't know if you can see, I'm going to try and get it to focus. Ah, damn it, it's not going to fucking focus. Come on, focus. Alright, anyway, hang on, I'm gonna cut and get it to focus and shit so I can show you guys just how bad that is. Alright, so there it is, focus. I don't know if you can really see it, but there's no boot left on there. Like, it's destroyed. So we're just gonna end up replacing the entire shit. So the whole fucking axle is gonna get replaced right now. I'm hoping that I don't have to drop it back down because of these axle bolts, but I think it should be fine, maybe. Alright, let's get started. Well, it turns out that I'm going to need to put some weight on it to get the axle nuts off, so I just popped the center caps out of my wheels, about to put them back on, and then we're going to drop it back down on the ground, loosen it, and we should be A1. Also, I got my friend coming right now with the EF. He's going to do some JB Weld work on his oil pan. So yeah, we got a pretty good day going on right now, so I'm going to lower the car, put both wheels back on, and take off the axle nut. A1. Look who shows up. What's up, motherfucker?
What's up, nigga? What's up, YouTube?
It's been a fucking shit show trying to fix this.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah. Yeah. Alright, so we got half the fucking axle out. Just half. The other half is stuck in here, and we can't get the fucking C-clip out, so we're gonna go get some food. Where the fuck are we gonna go?
Shit, let's ask YouTube. How long did it fucking take to replay that?
Forever.
Okay.
Alright, I don't know where the fuck we're gonna go, but we got this one off, half of it off, and haven't even fucking touched the bad side, so about to head out in the little EF, go get some fucking comida in this bitch.
Sweating some oil, but...
Oh. Yeah, nigga, we look like we're fucking mechanics, even though we're not, because I don't know what the fuck I'm doing. Alright, let's go get some food. we gotta hit up the Harbor Freight Life because we broke a couple wrenches and we have to get some grease for some shit. So Harbor Freight it is. Still got the fucking filthy ass hands. Back on the road to the Harbor Freight, seeing if we can get all the shit we need. Oh fuck! At the freight.
There's a parking lot.
I don't. Probably. Alright, finally got around to doing this side. Ooh, muy sexy. Alright, so we finally got around to this side. Got everything taken apart. Here's the axle on this side. No better than the last one. Whew, it's been a shit show day, but we're almost done. Almost got the whip done, so fingers crossed so we can actually get this done. Alright, so we got both sides done. On the ground, everything's torqued down. It's fucking pitch black. We gotta clean up, I gotta clean up this garage. But yeah, both sides are done. It was a fucking shit show. This is the axle from this side. And the axle from the other side is gonna be right over here. Oh, nice axle. Right here, same deal. No fucking boot. The other half's right over here. So, we got it done. Gracias.
Oh, you're welcome.
Alright, we're gonna probably take this thing for a little test rip, see everything's torqued down right and all that. And yeah, so I don't know if I'm gonna record that. I'll let you drive. You wanna drive?
Oh, fuck that.
You wanna record it?
Yeah, why not?
Alright. Alright, so let's go take this thing for a test rip. Alright, we got this bitch ready. I don't even know if they can see me, but fuck it. Whoa. Jesus Christ. Alright, she drives fucking mint, so I'm gonna call that a fucking success. And yeah. Oh shit. Oh, my headlight went out. There we go.
End it or what?
Should I do a burnout? First burnout on the new axles? That's the guys with the EFs in their Genesis. I gotta find a good place for a burnout. Actually, I know the place. Alright, so we're pulling up to Mexico right now. We're gonna go ahead and do a little skid in Mexico just to break in these new axles. You're probably not supposed to do that. You're probably supposed to, like, you know, drive a couple, like maybe 100 miles first and then break them in, but I'm just gonna say fuck it, and we're gonna fucking stop at this green light, and in Mexico, of course, and fucking hit a fat burnout. We gotta get a roll first. That's how it's fucking done. In Mexico, of course. Alright guys, so my friend just left. Big shout out to him for helping me, man. I wouldn't have been able to do this job without him, to be honest with you. So yeah, he just left right now, so I'm about to go inside, take a shower, shit like that. As you guys can see from the clip in Mexico, the car's running mint. Axles are completely better now, completely fixed. So that's one less thing I gotta worry about. Yeah, so again, big shout out to my homie Mike. His Instagram's gonna be on the screen right here as well as in the description. Go ahead and give him a follow, man. He's a really good guy, man. He's my best friend, so give him a follow. I'm gonna put it right here somewhere. So yeah, I appreciate you guys watching. If you liked it, be sure to drop a like. If you didn't like it, be sure to dislike it. comment if you want to, subscribe if you haven't done so, if you guys want to see some more shenanigans here. And I really appreciate you guys watching, subscribing, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace. Let me grease you guys' hands. Peace.